Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Here, this is the chart of catalytic dehydrogenation of propane. This is the chart in which this is propane motor feed battery propane plus 100 kilogram per meter. This is reactor here, and propane propenyl methane hydrogen is this. This is again the reactor. It is 100 degrees Celsius, 1110 degrees Celsius, and this is a chiller. Here it is the absorber and some methyl hydrogen we get. This is a stripper, propane and propenyl oil, and this is the oil recycle for here. From here to here, this is distillation column, and this is 98% propyl product. And when the distillation column is is comprised by the compressor, then the propane propenyl presents. And this was the flow chart of the catalytic dehydrogenation of the propane. The flow chart of catalytic dehydrogenation of the propane. Now for the next part, overall objective is that overall objective the catalytic dehydrogenation of the propane to produce pro- propylene to produce maximum amount of propylene with highest purity at minimum cost and minimum side products. The the catalytic dehydrogenation of propane to produce propylene to produce maximum amount of propylene with highest purity at minimum cost and minimum side products. At minimum cost and minimum side product. Now preheaters. Now for the next, preheaters. And this heating feed to reactor so that reaction can take place at maximum efficiency and highest conversion. In this conversion of feed into product by providing intimate contact sorry sorry for this. Here preheater is heating feed to reactors so that reaction can take place at maximum efficiency and highest conversion. Now for the reactor, conversion of feed into product by providing intimate contact between the feed and the catalyst is the reaction. Then absorption tower is to separate the methane and hydrogen side product from propylene dissolved in the oil. Here in the diagram, reactor reactor conversion of feed into product by providing intimate contact between the feed and the catalyst. This is the work of reactor. Now stripper, the heating of the solvent has to resolve has to release the product. Work with absorption tower to separate side products from the main products. And this is the absorption tower, and the work of this is to separate the methane and hydrogen side products from propylene dissolved in the oil. Now distillation column, which is this is used to separate the hydrocarbon with miscible characteristics based on their velocity. So these were uh, work of their different the different objects which is drawn in the chart.